my right is an Ultronic designer telephone. On my left, Time magazine. The Ultronic designer telephone will impress your friends and clients and brighten any room in your home or office. So will Time magazine. The designer telephone is free when you subscribe to Time. The free designer phone comes in 4 exciting colors: a rich red, a great gray, a beautiful blue, and a wonderful white. Time magazine comes in exciting full color, so you get a true picture of all the news every week. The Ultronic telephone features exceptional communications technology. So does Time magazine. With correspondence all over the world and the immediacy of satellite communications, Time gives you the story when you want it. They put it all right in your hands, so you can turn to Time anytime to get a clear, concise perspective that only Time can give you. And only Time gives you this free Ultronic designer telephone with great features like memory redial of the last number called and a mute button to keep your conversations private. With Time magazine, you get in on all the conversations, so you're always on the inside. The designer telephone has full-sized push buttons for that perfect touch. Time touches you, bringing people closer so you can feel what they feel and share their emotions and celebrations. So, call this toll-free number now and get your Ultronic designer telephone free with your paid subscription to Time at a savings of over 40% off the cover price. You get 26 issues of Time, payable in 3 monthly installments of only $9.89 each. With your designer telephone, you save on monthly phone rental charges. With Time magazine, you get convenient home delivery. Call now, and soon you can be making calls on your very own designer phone. It's free from Time. Call 1-800-284-7800 and get your free phone and save on Time. Pick a color. It's free.
You claim you cannot afford the increase in alimony for your lovely ex-wife.
That's right.
Then explain the fact that you arrived at the courthouse in this new luxurious car with stereo sound system, plush reclining seats, sunroof, etc.
Well, it's a Hyundai.
The Hyundai Excel may look expensive, but that's not the case.
Nice car.
Hyundai, cars that make sense.
The one and only Southwestern Bell Yellow Pages. It gets beat up, bruised, battered, abused. Because it's the one packed with millions of businesses, ads, and ways to make your life easier. That's why you rarely see a new Southwestern Bell Yellow Pages. From the instant one's delivered, it's used. The Southwestern Bell Yellow Pages. It delivers.
Cologne for men.
Now showing at Blockbuster Video.
From Warner Home Video. Nicholson, Keaton, Batman.
Now available on video cassette from Warner Home Video at Blockbuster Video. This collector's edition movie poster calendar with $36 worth of free video rentals is free when you buy a book of 10 Blockbuster gift certificates. So give the gift certificates and keep the calendar for yourself.
Milk's for you, soft baby skin, strong baby bones, bright baby smile, and blue gray muscle tone. Wouldn't you know it, baby? Milk's for you. It's a health kick, baby.
No, no, no. Life can be full of rejections and refusals. Don't you deserve something better? SureCard says sure. You deserve our Sure credit card. And right now, we're issuing a number in your area to people like you. Even if you've never had a charge account and can't get a credit rating, we'll issue you your very own Sure card. There'll be no embarrassing applications, no credit checks, and no refusal. You're sure to be approved, and you're sure to qualify. Now, your only cost is a one-time $20 processing fee, and we'll even bill you for that. Pay it, and you have the credit. Credit to get all kinds of wonderful things direct from SureCard. You don't need to own a home, open a bank account, or give a credit reference. Just pay on time, and we'll increase your credit. Soon you could qualify to buy a VCR for just a few dollars a month. charge a complete computer outfit, or buy a brand new kitchen set on credit. And listen, a good Sure rating can be your reference for all those other credit cards you've always wanted. Store credit cards, gas credit cards, even bank credit cards you can use for cash. Even if you already have a Visa or MasterCard, ask for your Sure card and get more credit with no interest charges and no annual fees. Just fantastic products at fantastic prices. They're yours through this entirely new concept in credit. Sure card. But don't send any money. Just call now and we'll even bill you for the $20 processing fee. That's right. Order your Sure card and we'll give you immediate credit. That's for sure. Don't send any money. Just call 1-800-543-2700. We'll bill you for the one-time processing fee. Pay it and your Sure card is approved automatically, even if you've never had a credit card. Call now, 1-800-543-2700. 1-800-543-2700. And start building the credit rating you deserve.